see how this is going to look for me head space. Everything in there, yeah. I'll just do my hair a bit. That'll do. Right. And we're going to paint a bit of a landscape, waterfall, cliff type of thing, trees. All right, let's fucking get into this. I'll walk in. G'day, how you going? I'm Ianapolis, your acrylic guru from Australia. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So what I've got 3 lines here.
Why you got 3 lines for?
Well, one is for the bottom half of the lake. So I'll get the sky area and I'll just...
Oh, what's that, a big ugly blob? Get off there, you mongrel.
So I'll just get the sky colour primed in with this. There.
And there's some stuff and crap on there. What the stuffing hell is that? Get off there, you bastard. Oh, it's in the canvas, you dickhead.
All right, and I'm going to put a big purple blob there. All right, let's see if we can hide that. Let's get this blue colour. What have we got? Cerulean blue and red violet. Righto, come on. Now, what do we do first? The blue or the violet? I think I'll do the... Yeah, I'll do the violet. Okay, down on my palette, I've got some red violet and cerulean blue. Okay, I'm going to have to wash that brush, aren't I? Yeah. All right.
Behind the scenes, so I've got to wash the brush.
Oh, excuse me. Bloody hell, mate. Bloody hell, mate. Okay. Okay, I've cleaned my brush. Now I'm...
Talking like a fucking dickhead. Hang on, do that again.
I've cleaned my brush. Now I'm picking up the cerulean blue to put on the other side of the sky. I'm going to wipe that brush.
Because it's full of shit. Right, wipe the bastard. Wipe that mongrel.
And then we'll... Okay, where are we? Let me... There we go. I'm gonna wipe that brush. And I want to try and get these two just pushed together now. And
now, ain't that just the bee's knees and the duck's nuts, eh?
give me the thumbs up if you like this behind the scenes crap. It looks like fire down there, doesn't it? You know what that is? It's all
spooky shit down there. We've just got some neon lights down there.
Just accenting the silver play button. And probably some bits and bobs accenting the paints as well. Right, we've got to get the clouds done before that paint starts to dry, otherwise I'm fucked. Alright, so I'll get some paint on there like that. Where's a fan brush? Stop pulling the fucking microphone out of your legs there. I'll just use this brush here. Oh, where are you? That one will do. Alright, where are we? Okay, I've got a fan brush, I've got some titanium white, and we're going to put some clouds in that sky before it dries on us. Because if it dries on us, we're fucked. We are fucked. So before it dries on us, we can just manipulate, smear, and create a wonderful cloud in our painting like that. Let's get an angle here so I can finish off that bit there. Like that. There we go. Now we'll put some more in there. All right, where are we? Where's that brush? Is that dirty? Yeah, it's fucking, I've got to wash it. Just washing that fan brush. Just washing the fan brush.
I said I'm washing the fan brush.
All right, so done one there. Okay. I'm going to get a bit of a glare in the sky, but you know what? Less is best. I'll leave it. No,
less is best. I'll leave the bastard. That's fine. Leave the bastard alone.
All right, so where are we up to now? Now we've got to do some white blocking in. If you're watching behind the scenes here, hit the thumbs up. Comment in the Premiere chat there, or my live behind the scenes, are premiered. So I'm in the chat there. Say hello to me if you're just sitting there watching. Okay. Oh, get off the wire, you bastard. Where are we? Okay, keep coming. Okay, keep coming. We added white to get the light one. Now we're coming darker forward.
Because everything's fucking darker when it's forward, all right?
Now this has got to come from maybe up here somewhere down.
You fucking idiot, I wasn't even recording that.
Don't tell me I was recording when it was stopped. Okay, what I've just done, I just realised the camera was off. Just about there. So I'll finish it about where that other, for fuck's sake, where that other mountain finished in the water there. So I'll get this on there, just where I want it. There we go.
I forgot the water for you, dickhead.
Now I want to paint the water for him before I map the rest of it in, so I'm going to grab some of this. Bloody focus here, I don't know. Where are we? So I want to get a rock.
So we'll block this bastard in, come on. Come on. It's got brown in it. Yeah, that's rock colours.
What do they want? What do they need? What more do they want, hey?
Who are you? Who are you? It's going to have 2 rocks there, that's fine.
Kill some of that loudness there. Just frig dig around with the brush a bit.
Pretend you know what you're doing and it comes into play.
Certain bits, certain aspects of your painting. I've just lightened it up a bit because I want the lightless bits now, look, just to make it come to life a bit more. I've changed the light aperture on the camera so you might not see those other highlights as clear as you did in the shot before. But now we're just adding another highlighty value. Can I have a look how that's going? And that's all right, I suppose. Something coming down the edge there. Try not to get carried away, Ian. Calm down.
Calm the fuck down, goddamn boy. What you doing, boy? Get carried away. How you enjoying these behind the scenes, all right, eh?
I always talk about behind the scenes, so when I'm editing, I know it's behind the scenes footage I'll be putting for another video, not for the tutorial. There we go. We're just going to get it on there like that.
Just like that for the bastards. There you go. Get that into you mongrels.
I'll get a bit darker there, you dickhead.
Now down here, you bastards, I've got some paint, all right? No.
Now down here I've got some yellow ochre and cadmium yellow light. See, you can see a dark edge there. Cover it up.
If you're watching behind the scenes, cover the bastard up.
Now do remember my behind the scenes have some mild language in them, so do be aware of that. Just some sand in there as well, I suppose.
Now, back here, you bastards. Remember when I mixed that pile of shit up? That's what we're going to put on there now, all right?
Jekyll and Hyde. Okay, that colour that I mixed up before, we're going to use this now. So I'm just going to highlight it with this. This is just the cadmium yellow light. I want to get some light in this, dribbling down into that darker value there, dribbling over here.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
There we go. And with a little bit of white just on here.
Won't hurt this little bastard.
Won't hurt this little shrub either. There we go. Look at that. Beautiful.
There you go, you mongrels. Get that into you.
All right, that'll do. Enough mucking around. I want to just... And we'll just highlight this one as well a little bit. Okay, let's whack a frame on that. And see how she looks. You can do it. All right.
Oh, my back is sore, mate.
Let's get this over there. Where are we? Get that about there. There. Come over here a bit. Go there. Oh, man. Golly, I've got to lay down. I know you can do it. I know you can do it. Well, what a lot of fun that was. Did I walk out? Oh, I always walk out just to complete. That's the end of my video. The viewer knows that's it, kaput, the end. But for the behind the scenes, it's never the end, is it? I've got to think what I'm going to do, I'll go behind here and turn this switch off. Just watch that.
Bang, looks a bit dead now, doesn't it, eh?
Anyway, I've got to get all this, what lid's that off? That's off the white. Where are you? That can go back on there. Now what I'm going to do is I'll take this inside, take some photos of it, write down the list of the colours and the name. I don't know what I'm going to call it. I might call it a vivid waterfall scene, but that's too bloody long. I'll call it something anyway. Thank you for watching behind the scenes. There's always going to be some, they're not coming out all the time, but just when I can create them, they will be there. They make up for some good extra funny content. But
Do be mindful of the fucking coarse language, all right? Did you hear what I said, you bastards? Eh?
all right, I guess it's Uru from the Guru.